beautiful, it's Emmy. Welcome back to Everyday with Emmy. I'm going to get right to the point today. After 30 years in the beauty industry, why I created emmiSKIN. Listen, I was suffering from a horrible battle in my own life. This battle had me just depressed, feeling very withdrawn, horrible low self-esteem, feeling unattractive, not wanting to engage in relationships, insecure, just feeling like overall crap. And in my years of research, I found that I was not the only woman suffering from this battle. This battle is being suffered by women all over the world. And you know what? As a kid, you're not alone with this battle, but as an adult, you feel very alone. It can hurt your career. It can hurt you in your social circles. It can crush your self-confidence and your self-esteem. This battle is with oozing pustules, hard, sore cysts. This battle is called hormonal acne. And I want to share some pictures with you. This was my battle with hormonal acne. Yes, that's me. And I suffered from this for years. In addition to that, in my late 30s to early 40s, then I started to have the under eye, dark circles, and just horrible wrinkles starting. And the hormonal acne, it's a painful battle, both physically and emotionally. It just affects you every single day in your life. And when you're not feeling good about your face and your skin and feeling old looking, it affects you in your entire life. And I tried everything from mask to mask to mask, Korean face mask, to expensive beauty treatments. Yes, that's me. And nothing worked. I was close to giving up. And after 16 years of research, I finally created emmiSKIN and help arrived. This is me now. Just have a little bit of blush on there and a little bit of lipstick. This is me with no makeup. You can see that my face glows now. I'm more confident. I'm more outgoing. I lost weight. And guess what? Hundreds of women around the world have written testimonies to me telling me that they have tackled the same battles that I have. And thanks to emmiSKIN's fragrance-free, natural, cruelty-free, great for you ingredients, you can win your battle over your skin as well. I want to quickly show you the products and just tell you a little tiny bit about each one. So this is our facial treatment cleanser. This is your everyday cleanser, and this calms the skin, settles wrinkles, removes all the gunk. Your face will glow from using this. Our cellular reset mask. This is a mask that you can use a couple of times a week. It has aloe and arnica in it. It calms everything down, relieves stress of your skin that you pick up from the environment in your skin. Put it on a couple times a week. Leave it on about 20 minutes. Have a glass of wine. Watch your favorite show. You will thank yourself the next day. Next, we call this our needle-free facelift. This is our serum. I am telling you, this is a miracle serum. I go nowhere without this serum. This serum has multiple peptides. It works similar to Botox. It relaxes the facial muscles, calms the wrinkles and lines, giving the appearance to your face of more youthfulness. Next is our Maximum Impact Eye Cream. I'm sorry if it's so bright you can't see that, but this erases the under eye, dark circles, bags, wrinkles. It has soothing cucumber extract in it. It is a wonderful product. This is one of our most popular products. Women actually use this all over their neck and their chest area, not just on their under eyes. Some of them use it even for their moisturizer. This is our most popular item. Next, this is our 5XP. This is our AM PM Reset Cream. This is your daily moisturizer, improves the skin tone by repairing damaged skin. It has several peptides, hyaluronic acid, resveratrol. This moisturizer truly turns back the clock by 10 years. Look, I'm 57 years old, and people guess me at 47 all the time, in my 40s. I'm telling you, these products have made me more confident and made many, many other women more confident because their skin is more beautiful, their life becomes more beautiful. We call these 5 products our Overnight Facelift Collection, and when you order them, they come in this beautiful emmiSKIN bag. We give you the bag for free. We also give you, in this collection, a handy dandy little spatula. Hey, I use this to get my product out of the jar, and when you get down to the bottom, you waste none thanks to this little spatula. We also give you these handy dandy little sponges, and these are great for washing off your makeup. This is what they look like after they get wet. And when you store them, put them on your sink upright like this. That's how they need to dry. Don't lay them down flat. Keep them upright, and they'll dry each day, and then you just get them wet the next night when you're ready to wash your makeup off. You can keep these for months. You can throw them in the washer in a little bag, a little washer bag, and then just lay them on top of the dryer to dry and reuse them again. And also we give you our daily 7 skincare card just to tell you how to use the products. Look, we recently had a royal wedding, and you know what? You deserve to feel like a princess too. So get on emmiSKIN.com. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to look 10 years younger. You deserve to defy hormonal acne and wrinkles that make you depressed and unhappy. You don't have to live like that. I found the solution. I created emmiSKIN for you so that you could feel like a princess too. Go to emmiSKIN.com, the Overnight Facelift, click on shop, and then the Overnight Facelift Collection is the first thing you'll see. It's these 5 products that I just told you about. And guess what? It's always 10% off if you buy the 5 products together. In other words, if you buy the 5 products separately, you're going to pay 10% more. So buy the Overnight Facelift Collection and defy wrinkles, dark circles, hormonal acne, even rosacea. My husband suffers from rosacea, and emmiSKIN came to his rescue as well. I have another secret for you. If you join Club Emmi, you are going to get a 10% coupon immediately in your email. So now you can beat the system. Use that coupon and get 20% off the Overnight Facelift Collection so you can begin to experience all the things that you truly deserve in life. Beautiful skin, beautiful life. Thanks for tuning in. This is Emmi. I am thrilled and beyond happy to be helping you age confidently and beautifully. Until next time, this is Emmi. Bye.